Shaw.
Hello. Hi, Sarah.
Alan, how are you? How are you feeling psychologically?
Probably a little bit fraught and very excited.
Okay, tell us what's going on this weekend, please.
Yeah, so I run the outdoor sport course at Buxton Leek College, and all my students want to be instructors, so we're heading off to the French Alps for a week skiing.
What kind of teacher are you? Are you a kind of call me Alan kind of cool teacher?
To quote the song, probably, yeah.
Okay. Nice. Listen, what tune are we going to play? I mean, I get what you mean with the title of the song. I'm not sure if it is about skiing, but it is a great song for a Friday.
Well, you're right, yeah. So I think we're going to go with White Lines from Grandmaster Flash.
Excellent stuff. It is a big tune. And we'll play it for you and all the young people on their ski trip from Buxton and Leek College. Alan, thank you.
Fantastic, thank you. Bye.
Bass.
Some cow. That was lucky.
Vision, dreams, and passion. And all the while I think of you. A very strange reaction. The more I see, the more I do. Baby.
Hey!
Ticket to ride, White Line Highway. Tell all your friends they can go my way. Pay your toll, sell your soul. Pound for pound costs more than gold. The longer you stay, the more you pay. My white lines go a long way, either up your nose or through your vein. With nothing to gain except killing your brain.
Graphics forward on camera as well.
Pure as the driven snow. And now I'm having fun, baby. It's getting kind of low.
Sorry.
I need some one-on-one, baby. Baby.
Jesus.